Here are the 5 best AI tools that are currently dominating the AI market. Tool number 1 is called Durable. This is an AI builder which will build websites in 30 seconds. Watch it in action. First you click generate your website, do get started, select your business type, enter a business name, and now in front of our eyes it's generating all the text and images, the structure of the website, and it's even making it SEO friendly so it ranks more in search engines like Google. This includes everything from testimonials and location, and true to its word, the website's finished. So let's have a look at it. So we have our headings, a portfolio, an about us, services, testimonials, maps, and a contact form with our social links. Any section you can click regenerate and it will regenerate the text and the layout for you. You can also click the customize button to change the colors and anything else on the page. Website 2 is called BookCheat. BookCheat is an AI writing prompt that uses some of the most detailed frameworks that will allow anyone to instantly start utilizing them just by entering exactly what it is they want, without needing to know prompt engineering. It's designed to give you the best outputs in the simplest way possible. With tons of templates to use and new templates being added every single day, you can just go ahead and choose what template you want. For example, the explain it template. Let's say you don't know what the difference between on-page and off-page SEO is. Just type the question in and do generate. And within moments, it will give a simplified paragraph, examples of how both terms are used, and the typical reasons why people say this. Let's say you wanted a list being generated. Click on the list generator. Say you want a list for the best design software and do generate. And it now provides a full list of design softwares. Tool number 3 is Jasper. There is currently no simple working AI writing tools that can create long form content specifically for business owners, whilst also connecting to third-party tools like SurfSEO. If you head over to templates, documents, it has done for you campaigns that will actually just generate the long form content for you. So if you click on blog post, start from workflow, enter some context and just do run all. This will now go through all of the motions for blog post intro being generated, the outline being generated, the generators being generated, and then the conclusion. So it's going through everything automatically without you. And then just like that, it's generated this entire blog. This is the most practical way business owners can actually start creating content using AI. Tool number 4 is AutoGPT. AutoGPT is the next level of ChatGPT and GPT-4. You give it a command and your goals, and then it will automatically, without you in the background, problem solve. It will create agents that will communicate between themselves and it will provide you with the solution. Here's how it works. First, we install it to our computer, and then we give it a name. We're going to call this one SEO. We then say what it's about. So we're going to say find the latest SEO trends. And then we give it objectives to what it is we're actually trying to achieve. So it's going to be finding new SEO topics, creating new content, and staying ahead of the trends. And now what you can see here is it's providing us with its thoughts, the rationale behind the thoughts, and then it's starting a plan, which is starting and creating a GPT agent. It then keeps itself in check by providing criticism, so things it needs to look out for, and then it asks us if we would like to continue. And again, this will run in the background until it solves the issue. Tool number 5 is called Hugging Chat. Hugging Chat is similar to ChatGPT, but Hugging Chat is connected to tons of external independent developers and also ChatGPT and Bard. So when you're inputting information, you're getting a much more broad and varied answer, which means you get more flexibility with all the outputs that come back to you. Here's how it works. Inside Hugging Chat, you can ask it a question like, code a snake game. And in front of our eyes, it's actually creating all of the code that all we would need to do is copy and paste it into our coding applications. Because this is connected to more external sources, it tends to give a much more thorough response than something over ChatGPT or GPT-4. Did I miss something off the list? If so, comment it below and maybe I'll include it in the next video. I'll see you next time.